Pathfinders, a unique unit in the Tau army dedicated towards fast attack and scouting the battlefield. As an invaluable part of your Tau army, these Pathfinders are the best infantry unit to assist your army's shooting. Their target upload ability allows you to improve the BS and critical hits of 2 units each turn for optimal damage output. And with the Pathfinder's marker lights, those 2 units will also ignore cover. Another key ability is the pre-game move of 7. This allows for a better starting position or for the ability to move quicker up the battlefield for an aggressive turn 1. As for stats, here they are on the screen. For the greater good, please check out the full video on the channel.